Thinking about selling your house as is? Before you accept a low-ball offer from one of those we buy houses companies, listen to this FAQ session. It could save you thousands and open the door to selling your house for much more, with a fix it now and pay after you sell option. Goran, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a little about what you do?
Yeah, hi, I'm Goran with HomeSmart Connect. I've been a licensed real estate agent since 2002 in the Chicago area. I specialize in selling properties as is, no matter what condition they're in. I have a background in construction for over 30 years now, and I'm certified in construction management. I want to answer the following questions that I most often get from home sellers that want to sell their property as is.
Do I have to make repairs to my house in order to list it on the MLS?
No, you don't have to make any repairs in your house in order to list it on the MLS. It doesn't matter if your plumbing or heating don't work, or if there's violations with the city of Chicago. We would just target buyers that are okay with these types of properties, and with inventory being as low as it's been, there are plenty of these types of buyers willing to pay a fair price for your property.
Do I have to clean my house?
You don't have to clean your house or remove any items you don't want to take with you.
Tell me more about the fix now pay later option.
The Fix It Now Pay Later option is a company that I work with that will put up all the money up front to do any repairs or any cleaning. If you're not in a hurry to sell, then making repairs or even remodeling the house to get top dollar might make sense. This can net you much more money for your house. And again, this company doesn't charge you for the labor or material until closing. They're competitively priced, so there's room there to make money for the right type of repair.
The wholesaler that I have been talking to says that I don't have to pay any closing costs or commission. Do you charge a commission?
Yes, I do charge a commission. What I can tell you is that the wholesaler is already taking the closing costs and commissions, plus their wholesale fee out, which can be anywhere between $5,000 to $30,000. All they do is lock you into a low offer and try to sell your house for as much as they can to the same people that I would be presenting your house to. The difference is I can net you more money even with the commission percent. I also give a cancellation agreement to my clients. I give that in writing. It says you could cancel within 24 hours if you're not satisfied with my services if I haven't gotten you an acceptable offer.
Can my house sell just as fast on the MLS like with a wholesaler?
Yes, your house can sell just as fast on the MLS. I can have your house up on the MLS within 24 hours and start promoting your house immediately to buyers that have cash and can close fast. Again, if you have more time to sell, I can give you many more options to get you above the average sales price in your neighborhood. Thanks for watching this video. You can call or text me anytime to discuss buying or selling a house as is at 773-273-9155 or go to promoteyourhouse.com for more info.